This is Julian, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, Yes Wine Videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French luxury champagne brand that is particularly famous and popular in the United States, that is made in France by the famous champagne house Cartier, and that is related to the rapper Jay-Z. We are looking at how to pronounce Armand de Brignac in a typical French pronunciation, typical French accent. Armand de Brignac. Armand de Brignac. Do not pronounce the D at the end of Armand. Do not say Armand. Not Armand, but rather Armand. And then de Brignac. If you can pronounce the French R like the French do, like we do in France, say Armand de Brignac. Armand de Brignac. Champagne Armand de Brignac. But with an English-sounding pronunciation, say Armand de Brignac. Armand de Brignac, Ace of Spades. Famous champagne sold particularly in the United States. Armand de Brignac Brut. Armand de Brignac Brut. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.